Vibes, for today's episode of GBN Still Play, we have a very special guest. Ayan, a rockstar, an idol, an inspiration, a CEO, a performer, a model, a producer, a songwriter, a composer, a record breaker, wait lang, marami pa. A gamer, an entrepreneur, a singer, a dancer, a creator, choreographer, an icon, a parent, a son, a brother, an artist, yes, an anime lover, everything. Mga ka-vibes, please welcome Felip!
Hello. Grabe
Hello?
yung introduction din, sobrang haba.
Gusto mo yon?
Kulang na lang ang alien.
Grabe
Hello
naman
pa
sa
sa inyo
iyo.
lahat.
Hello, hello. Kamusta naman ang isang rockstar?